The Hawk.
Okay, we're going to be talking about, on a serious note,
We got some events coming
we
up,
got
right?
some pretty important events
So
coming
we
up
want to get the community out
in
together.
the Philadelphia area, and I think we're going to have, on the 29th of November, we're going to have the Run for Change.
That was great
coming
last
up.
year.
And
It was
last
great.
year, it went off without a hitch. I got to
loved
be
it.
honest with you.
I had a couple beverages, a couple pops.
Yeah, so, you know what? By
I
the
got
end of it,
bebop and boozed up. I'm
I
not
was
gonna lie.
pretty bebop and banged up. I got to be honest with you. But anyway, like I'm saying, Run for Change. What happens is we have Boy Scout troops from all over the greater Philadelphia area come out. This year we're going to have Boy Scouts troop number 738. That's what I got here. They're going to be running down Broad Street, throwing change all over Broad Street. throwing
You should- it's
whatever
great.
they want. Saskatchewan dollars, whatever we got. And what's going to happen is afterwards, the homeless community comes up and tries to get as much of it as they can, and it is a mad scramble.
I don't know
is
what they do
it
with all
is.
that change. I'll tell you.
I don't
I don't
know.
know if they're buying subway tokens,
I don't know.
loose
You know what?
cigarettes.
I've always wondered about that. Every time I go down to the subway, there's a bunch of homeless people down there.
They
and
live in the tunnels. I
how do they get down there? You need tokens to get through the. That's what I mean. Are they buying tokens? I mean, these guys. I gotta be honest with you.
I don't think they get the monthly pass. I'll tell you that. I'll tell you that. I don't think they're springing for the monthly. I can barely afford the monthly.
The Hawk.